Welcome, my name is Thomas Ledford, and I'm here to talk about in this video the marketing strategies that we use when it comes to promoting self-employed and small business clients, or getting clients who fall under small business and self-employed individuals. So if you out here and you're talking to some prospects who's falling under small business or self-employment, you let them know based on our price point what's included. So what's included for self-employed individuals for the price we charge at $450. A lot of times people who call themselves being in business don't have their basic business credentials set up, so that's included in the price that we charge for people who fall under self-employment / small business / sole proprietorship. Also, what's included along with basic business credentials set up is, say, if you needed to pay some 1099s out to some people who did some work for you, then you'll get 6 free 1099s done for you. Anything over 6 is additional fee. So those are some of the benefits of doing business with us, opposed to some other people who offer tax preparation service as well. Also, everybody don't know how to prepare individual self-employed returns correctly. In my 18 years of experience, I've seen Schedule C's where they have nothing but expenses but no incomes, and I had them where they have nothing but income, no expenses. When it comes to operating a business, you must have both on your tax return. You can't operate a business and then tell on people you don't have no expenses to go with your income, or vice versa. So that's one of the biggest red flags that I see from people who went other places to get their income taxes done who fall under self-employment. Also, the IRS recommends, if you are a sole proprietor, which is the simplest form of ownership you can have, that you get an EIN number, which is free. They recommend you get that to operate your business under, and not your social. It's not mandatory, but we always go with the IRS recommendations when it comes to best business practices when it comes to preparing tax preparation across all channels. So if it's a situation where you get a client and, like I say, they don't have a basic business credential set up, we'll walk them through how to get that done. And so we have a concept called Done With You, where we're going to walk you through how to get that done so you know how to do it for yourself in the future and maybe show other people. And we don't do the done for you, where we'll do all the setup for you, but you have to sign off on some documents giving us permission to do so in that process. So, like I say, EIN number. If you're under retail, you need an EIN number, and if you're in the state of Illinois, you need a business number. You know what I'm saying, for retail purposes. And all states are different. So based on where you live at in your state, you have to do the research on how that works if you're in retail. But service-based businesses in Illinois don't need to have a separate number other than the EIN number, unless they're selling products as well. Then that's a different situation. So if you looking to get a client, they fall in these categories. These are the benefits they get from working with us and doing business with us. Is that for the fee we charge, basic business credentials are set up. They get 6 free 1099s prepared on their behalf for people that they may have paid out 1099s for, and they need that done. Also, we help them to show them basic, simple ways to keep their own books if they're not willing to pay for us to do the bookkeeping services as well. Also, when it comes to being in business, you know, you want to have a business account with a business card for all your transactions, because it streamlines the whole process throughout the year. It's in line with your record-keeping requirements. It's in line with the bank policies of you not operating a business using personal accounts, because that's against bank policy. So if you found out using your business account strictly for personal and vice versa, you know, those are not what they were intended for. So you want to make sure, if you call yourself being in business, that you have a business account for your business and you got a personal account for your personal. The IRS don't want to see you commingling funds and all those different things, because they want to be able to clearly see what's business related and what's personal related. And the only way to do that is to have a separate business account for your business and a personal account for your personal. Also, when it comes to self-employed small business owners, we recommend that if you plan on incorporating, that you don't necessarily have to wait until you start to make significant income. You can do that right away based on your agenda, your goals, your ambitions, your vision, your dream for your business. Also, if you looking to understand how to market your business and take it to the next level and get it to places you need it to go, we also can help you with that as well. So, we offer services other than tax preparation when it comes to small business and self-employed individuals. And so we have a full package of different things we offer based on your needs, where you're at inside your business at the time, where you're looking to go, what industry you're in, what skill sets you have, what's your overall goal for doing what you do, and how long you plan on making this a way of life as far as income. So self-employment, Schedule C, profit and loss in business is the form that you're looking at. And it's simple. You just fill it out step by step. The name of the proprietor, which is the taxpayer name and social. Line A, principal business or profession, whatever that is. You might be janitorial, you might be landscaping, or you might be a barber or a stylist, whatever the case may be. Go at line A. If you have a business name other than your own, go on line C. And line B, you're going to put in the code that's related to the business, if possible. Line D is going to be that EIN number that we suggest you get, and if you're doing business with us, it's mandatory. Line E, of course, is the address if it's separate from where you live at. Line F is the county method. The most common one is cash. I use Accrual myself, but cash is the most common used county method for a lot of sole proprietors. G, did you truly participate in the business, which is a key question you must answer yes to in order to fully be able to write off the deductions and expenses you may have inside your business. H says, if you started or acquired the business in 2018, I say, did you make any payments in 2018 that would be required to file a 1099? So those 1099s, what I'm talking about. Say if a lot of times people have to do 1099s are people who basically doing business to business for the most part. So if you got a person who has his own business and you did business with them and you paid them for certain things to get done throughout the year on your behalf, then you want to report a 1099 for that money that they made, and anything over $600 is required. So that's how that goes when it comes to reporting 1099 miscellaneous income, which is normally line 7. I'm not about to go through this whole form. This is just an overview of some of the benefits that you get from doing business with us when it comes to being a self-employed / small business owner who's sole proprietor. So see you in the next video.